Okay, so in this adventure we're over in the Maldives. What a beautiful place. We're here with our great friends Alegi and Nick. When you get over here, you get these vouchers for different things. Like today we've got a jet ski, 30-minute jet ski ride, so we'll show you a bit of that. We've got a massage as well, probably won't show that. But yeah, there's so many things to do here. The people are so friendly and lovely. The food's amazing. So in this episode I'll try and show some of the food, like just the seafood's amazing. They go and catch it fresh. Even the room, got a pool on the back. You just go down the stairs and swim with the turtles, literally. So, but we'll go over and have a chat to Shaviz. He looks after the jet skis, and so this is Shaviz.
Good morning.
So what's your favourite thing? This is what you do every day, take people out on the jet skis?
Yeah, normally we take all the way out the ocean and we drive out there because the lagoon is too shallow, so we don't drive in the lagoon. And normally when it's windy, ocean will be very rough, and it's a kind of fun ride. Yeah.
And these are jet skis going out on Yamahas. So they're all Yamahas, no Seadoos over here.
We have like they are on the way, like maybe within 2 weeks will come. We are bringing 2 seats.
We came 2 weeks too early. We've got the Seadoos coming over. We're on the Yamahas. Yamahas are great as well. The old Yamaha Seadoo thing. It's a bit like Ford and Holden. I've mentioned that before in earlier episodes. So they're both great brands. Anyway, let's see. I haven't ridden a Yamaha myself, so this will be my first time. I'm normally with a friend. So looking forward to it.
So that's why we keep distance from the reef. Okay? So always you can keep distance between the guide and reef and stay away from the guide. Then everything will be fine. If you need any help, you can just wait. Okay?
Alright, my turn to fall in. Oh, it was a bit deeper than I thought. Thank you.
Come Arturo.
What was that? Your hand will be wet.
How long has he been here for?
Like 2 months. When we was baby, we took from here.
Oh. This is Arturo. Arturo? Hello, Arturo. How are you? And this is where he lives, Arturo's house?
Yeah. It's good.
Arturo's going to be our guide today. There you go. You want to go back up here? Arturo, oh, there's Arturo's name there.
Leave him, but he will fly.
He'll fly?
Yeah, come here. You can make a video, yeah? Move a little bit up and down.
Up in there. So cool. And he's even on his name on his post. Arturo. Well, how great is that? We come over to have a look at these jet ski trolleys, which are cleverly designed for the resorts and being able to launch the jet skis and put them away at night. We met Arturo, but with the trolleys. So just tell us a little bit about these trolleys and what they do and where they're from, and they're fantastic.
This is from the Japan. So this one actually it's easy to buy. Anyone can buy. It's cheap, so you can buy. But this one is actually good quality.
And how do you just roll this down to launch it?
Yeah.
So if we take one down like this, so literally just grab this, roll them down,
and then tie it to the jet ski. Yeah.
Oh, yep.
See, like this, we tie the jet ski when we pull it up.
Got it.
And then we push it. So before we use we have some thing that we can take the jet ski, but this one is very slow.
Got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that one. So all they do is they push it down like this. The men push it down.
Easy.
Into the water. And then bang, throw it in the water, throw your jet ski on, pull it in. What a great idea. Vision Homes Jet Ski Adventures number 27.
Good morning.
Morning.
Welcome to paradise.
Okay, so here's the accommodation that we're staying in. Beautiful. You can see we've got a nice little pool here we can swim in as well. Cooking with Josie Beth on vacation. And as you can see, as we said, that's the pool. But also you can go down and swim in the water as well. We've got a nice little set of stairs here. Pretty much. Outdoor shower. Go straight down. And jump into the water. How beautiful is that? The bed flows out onto the balcony. And you can open this one up. Straight outside where we were before. And one shower out here. Outdoor shower as well. This is where everyone likes to have a shower. On the outdoor area, it feels really cool having a shower out there. Even a hatch that goes down to the water, you can see there. So yeah, beautiful.
Point. We have waste?
Oh, that looks good too.
We don't have waste, man. We don't waste here. I know he's doing pina colada for you and this something there. But it's similar. Similar.
Close second.
Cheers!
Oh, yum.
Okay, so today someone who's been looking after us really, really well, Wilma, the sous chef.
Hello. Hello, welcome to Pullman in Maldives. Hope you enjoy the food here. Pahut is doing very well for the live busa. We have a lot of live station here. Big lobster for you. Yes. Prawn. Very nice. Enjoy.
impossible.